welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can use Pabbly Connect for free with a step-by-step guide. We'll go through how to sign up, how to explore the dashboard, and also understand how tasks and triggers and actions work. So let's get started. First, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And here you will see an option that says sign up for free. So just click on it. Now you will need to fill in the few details like the name, email address, password and the phone number. So let's fill in these details. Let's say for the first name, I am going to keep it as testing. So I'm using the test details, but following me, you can create your account, just do exactly what I am doing. But you have to enter your real details, alright? So as you can see that I've entered these details. Now I'm going to enter a test mobile number. Now I'm going to set up the password. But you should keep in mind that you have to create a strong password which has the uppercase alphabets, lowercase, then the numbers and also some special characters. So let's add the password. Alright, so I'm going to enter a sample password over here, and you can also enter your account password. And after entering this account password, you have to click on this I am not a robot button and then create account. And once you click on this create account, it is saying we have sent a verification email to this email address. Please check your inbox and verify your email address. Alright, so let's open our Gmail and you're going to see that we have received this confirmation link. As you can see, it is saying hello testing user, and over here we have to click on this button which says confirm email address. And once we click on this button, you're going to see a window, something like this will appear in front of us. And now it is asking how did you come to know about Pabbly. So let's say I'm going to select it as YouTube over here, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this button which says save. And once we click on this save, a window something like this will appear in front of us. And yes, with this your free account of Pabbly Connect is ready. And the best part is that with your free account, you're going to get 100 free tasks every month. You can use these tasks to test, explore automations without paying anything. Now what you have to do is after opening this all Pabbly apps, you have to go towards this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And once you click on this, it is going to open the dashboard of your Pabbly Connect's account. And now after opening the dashboard of Pabbly Connect's account, you have to move on further. Over here, you're going to see the total task. So as I've already mentioned, 100 free tasks every month. You're going to see the task consumed, remaining and the free task consumed. So this section helps you to keep the track of how many tasks you are using. So now let's understand how this task is counted. So a task is counted whenever an action step runs. For example, if you're sending an email through Gmail, that's counted as one task. But things like filter, router, delays are not counted as tasks, which are the inbuilt feature of Pabbly Connect. This way you can easily calculate how many tasks you will need for your automations. It depends upon your business. In Pabbly Connect, everything starts with the workflow. Inside the workflow, we have many things. But first, in order to save the workflows, we can create different folders. For that, you have to go towards this create new folder button, enter your folder name and create a folder. And further, now if you wish to create a workflow, go on this create workflow button. You have to select the workflow builder. We have two options, the new workflow builder and the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and adult for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach, and adult for those who want a tried and tested setup. So I'm going to use this new one. So let's go on this new one. Now for the workflow name, let's keep it as testing. For the folder, you can select any folder if you have created one. If you don't want to create folders, directly save your workflow in home and click on this create. And once you're going to click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of your automation, which is your workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So trigger means this is the event that starts the automation. So for example, for receiving a new form submission, the trigger can be your form builder application. And then the next is action. An action means this is what happens after the trigger. So, for example, sending the form data to Google Sheets or sending a WhatsApp message to the lead details you've collected from the form. So, basically, trigger plus action is the meaning of automation, and that's it. This is how you can use Pabbly Connect for free and explore automations with your 100 monthly task. We have also created multiple tutorials on our channel where you can connect different apps step by step. So if you want to learn how to connect specific applications, just search for it on our channel and follow along with the tutorial. I hope this video helps you to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more automation tutorials. Thank you for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next video with many more automation tips.